Hey, I'm James, Master Instructor at the Dean King Training Institute here in California. And in this first module, we're going to go over a couple of the items needed to begin our PDR exercises. Now first off, we have our hood stand. This hood stand here, we have our practice hood attached to it by these 4 bungee cords. Now with this hood stand, we want to make sure that it's secure, it's tight, and these arms here are at the furthest points on all 4 corners to make sure that we have good support on the actual hood when we begin our PDR exercises. Next, we have 2 different leverage devices that we're going to be using. One is a panel lever. This panel lever here is a vacuum suction cup that we're going to attach to the hood, and it has this ring that hangs down below the bottom side of the hood, which allows us to gain leverage from the bottom side of the panel. The other option, if we don't have enough leverage using the panel lever, is an S-hook. Now this S-hook is used to hang on to one of the existing factory holes down from the bottom side, and again, this is strictly for leverage. Next, we have our China marker, which is used to draw some of our exercises and circle some of the damage that we'll be working on. We have our hammer and our tap down, which we'll be using later on to tap down some of our exercises once we create those high points. Next, we have our dent rod. The dent rod is selected by the actual distance between the leverage point and how far away that damage is on the actual panel. And we'll get to tool selection later on in our modules. And last but not least, one of the most important parts to paintless dent repair is our LED lamp. This LED lamp here is used to create a reflection onto our panels, create a nice working surface, and allow us to see the damage, whether it be high or low.